So we decided to write
Yeah.
The Boy with Two Hearts, and we talked about why we want to do it. We wanted to share our story about, Hussein, our older brother, and us leaving home Afghanistan and then coming into UK and then settling down. But to be able to speak to exec producer at the time, Emma Evans, before the book was out.
Yeah.
And within an hour she's saying, I love the story, I want to do this. Bit more time to, have conversation internally. To physically bring it here just sounds insane.
Yeah. The speed of it, it's crazy when you look back and say that happened in less than 12 months. From no script to script. It's ridiculous.
It was just meant to be.
Yeah.
So let's get this straight. We went from writing a book.
Yeah.
We've never written a book before.
No. Never read a book, maybe, as well.
Never read a book. To have it published, BBC4 Book of the Week. Have it on Wales Millennium Centre.
Yeah.
Then it's going on National Theatre in London.
Yes.
Then potentially a TV series, which we can either confirm or deny is in the pipeline.
Yeah.
I personally think this helped.
I think this was what I call the first brick laid for a house. And then all the other bricks which follow it is the foundation has been set.
Yeah. I think this was the validity, if that's the right word.
Yeah.
That the story is worth telling. The story is powerful. The story is one that needs to be shared.
As I said, it's the first foundation, and I think more stories like this will come through the door because of it. Hopefully. I hope so.
I think the crazy thing is, when I approached Wales Millennium Centre, it's to us, they were total strangers.
Yeah.
They took on the story, they embraced us, we were involved on every stage. And weirdly, we got so involved that our footprint was in the story, which made it much more authentic. From pouring, from producers, from tech, stage, everyone is involved, top to bottom. I think they made something that I never imagined would be possible.